Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to change the wallpaper on your laptop or PC running Windows 10 or Windows 11. Just follow the steps in this guide. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider doing so to get the latest updates. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Let's get started. To change your wallpaper or desktop background, right-click on the desktop and click on Personalize. Next, click on Background. Here you have four options: Picture, Solid Color, Slideshow, or Windows Spotlight. If you choose Solid Color, pick a color and it will set as your wallpaper, as shown in the background. In the Picture option, you can either select a Windows wallpaper or choose a picture of your choice. Click on the picture you like to set it as your background. To select your own image, click Browse, choose the image you want, and then click Choose Picture. Your desktop wallpaper will now be updated. For the slideshow option, you can upload multiple images to create a slideshow as your desktop background. You can also set the interval at which the pictures change. That's how you change your wallpaper on a laptop. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.